All right, guys, I'm back. This is the watch that I just repaired for my son. I paid $1 for this watch. It was really super bad. I'm going to show you what it was before. This is what it was. Look at that. I repaired the whole thing. I cleaned it up and I made it look brand new. Tell me what you guys think. Send me some love. Send me some comments. Subscribe to my TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube. I love fixing watches. And this is for my son. Let me give you a better close-up. There you go. Sometimes the camera gets unfocused. But I only paid $1 for this beautiful watch. Let me see if I can open it. Maybe not. It comes down. There we go. It has the papers underneath and everything like that. The little book and stuff. Right there. And then you close it. But that's the watch, guys. Now he can wear it for years to come. Every time I see watches, I always pick them up. People also donate watches to me that they see that they're going to throw away. They're like, no, I'll give it to you because we love your channel. We love what you do. A lot of people that know me and stuff like that, I repair watches and stuff. So it's just a little dusty from this that's peeling and everything. So it looks brand new. Now he has a watch that he can use when he's older. I've been starting a watch collection for my son. You know, you start young and everything, so when they get older, they'll have a collection of watches, and then they don't have to go shopping and buy a watch because they have watches. So I'm repairing every watch for my son. You can see how bad it was. Look at this. This is horrible, guys. Especially, it's melting and all the black stuff coming on my fingers. That's where my fingers and my nails are dirty because I was messing with all this. Watch, I'm going to show you. Look at that. See? Anyway, like I said, that's what I did for my son. Now he has a nice watch to wear. Kids grow up fast. And this one's growing like crazy. By the time you know, he'll be 21. But that's what I got him. I paid $1. I have all my tools and stuff like that here. But, like I said, live your life, guys. Find something you like. Fix it. And if you don't want to fix it, give it to someone that, you know, will appreciate it and everything. Like I said, mostly stuff that I buy, I fix, I always give it away. To friends or family and stuff like that. So, this one's for my son. And the other watch of something else, I think I repaired and I gave one to my mom because there was another watch that I just did. Oh, yeah. I just did a restoring on another watch. It needed a lot of work and everything. And I just fixed it for my mom. And it's a Chinese watch. So, I'll do a video of that also. So, I'll see everyone later. Thank you for watching my channel. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see everyone later. Bye.